Hi everybody, this is a story about going to get some chop chicken takeout. This is my host making deliveries to the local businesses. Swaddy Cop. And I'm making a video about the chop chicken.
Chop chicken.
Chop chicken, fried rice.
And chop chicken.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
Oh yes, thank you very much.
Come on.
Yep. This is a typical spice tray you might find on a table. These are fairly spicy and pretty flavorful. This is seriously spicy. The sugar here is because if you get something too spicy, you can put sugar on it and bring it back. And these are pretty much for flavor, but not too much for spicy. Swaddy Chop.
Hi. Oh.
Now chop chicken famous on YouTube.
ขอบคุณครับ
ครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
อร่อยมาก
ขอบคุณมากครับ